Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful, stylish, very pretty and very amazing videos. You find new pixie haircut ideas for ladies. We are heading, of course, you want to see beautiful and amazing inspirations that you should accept to see more of come the new year. You find gorgeous pixie haircuts right here. You find some of the best short haircuts for women. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can see that it's very beautiful. Size hairstyle is also very lovely. I love you, Dano. Look of the most beautiful short hairstyles right here. When it come to pixie hairstylings, you find the very best as you watch this video, because at the end of the day it's all about your looking your best and having the confidence that you need to stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. So go right ahead and watch these videos. If you're into maintaining a pixie cut, you are in the variation of styles that you can make selection from, because at the end of the day, because it's all about you at the end of the day. If you're looking for something cool, if you're looking for something cute, if get ideas from, because at the end of the day it's all about your looking as the best stylish hairstyle ideas, your ultimate destination for a chic, bold and trendy haircut ideas. And give your feedback in the comment section. And friends, to support me by sharing my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircutting ideas.